Okay, so I just want to show you quickly how to use the software. So I'll have a spreadsheet set up for you with team names, players' names. There'll probably be a column for phone numbers too, so that if somebody's not showing up or you can't find somebody, you can always send them a text message and say, "Hey, listen, you're up on court number one," or something like that. So I will have a tournament. This is challenge.com. I'll have a tournament set up for you. What you'll do is you'll notice that there's tabs right here. Don't worry about the settings or the log or the discussion or the standings. You're just going to be focused on the bracket and the participants. So once you close down registration and you're not taking any more walk-ups, you can go to challenge, go to the participants tab, and it allows you to bulk add. So I'll click on that add bulk. I'll come back to my spreadsheet and I can just copy all of the team name column. Okay, so you can on a Google, this is a Google sheet. It won't let you copy, but you can see that you'll on a Mac you'll press the little Command and C button to copy, and then when you come back here you just paste them all in here, and you can kind of see that everything is coming in. And I go to bulk add. Okay, and you'll notice that now all of the teams came in here. If you get another team that maybe shows up uh, before you're going to get started or something like that, you can always add them manually here. You don't have to go to bulk add again, and you can say add. Okay. If you do get an error message, it's most likely that there's just like a weird character or something like that that it's not liking. So just, it looks like it's accepting apostrophes here, but if for some reason it isn't, you might want to just go in and delete those apostrophes and see. Now, something else I like to do before I get started is once I enter everybody, I like to shuffle the seeds. So I click on shuffle seed and say OK, and that just shuffles the order so that if anybody thinks that I'm doing anything like, you know, little suspicious or anything like that, you can just show them, hey, I just put you in and I shuffled the seeds. Once you have all of the players in or the teams in, you can go to either bracket here or bracket here, and it will automatically generate the bracket for you. Okay, so I've got the brackets here. I have it set up as a double elimination tournament. Okay, so then before you get started, it won't let you do anything right now. If I try to click on anything, it won't let me do anything. But if you once you click on start tournament, then you can you'll see that you have an access here to report scores. So team 29 and Corn to be Wild come. You click on the little box here, and you can say, all right, team 29 won, and it'll automatically move team 29 over. Team Max was already there because they have a bye in the first round. These teams that are in the second round that have a bye, they're there because you had an odd number of teams. If you do make a mistake after you report a score, you can just go to reopen and it'll send it back to like you didn't even do anything. You can also, when you call a game, so team 29 versus Corn to be Wild, I can click on the play button here, and it'll give me this blue line around it that just lets me know that that game is in action. And then when I click on it and do report the score, you see that blue border goes away and it advances the team. Okay, so again, I can mark it as in progress, gives me a blue border, and then when it's come time to report the score, I just click on the name and it'll advance it automatically. And it'll also put the old bags, it'll put them down in the losers bracket. Okay. I do get ads. I didn't pay for this, so you do get ads with it. You can just close those up. All right. It also gives you match details if you want to kind of keep track of the court numbers that you're putting them on. You can click on the little magnifying glass and do set time and location. So you could say, all right, I'm going to set them on court 1, and I could save changes. That way, if they come back and say, oh, where did you say I was, you can always click back on the match details and say court 1. Okay, because especially when people are drinking, they're gonna not remember where you told them to go. So you just advance everybody, normal brackets. So if you've run tournaments before, so you understand how the brackets work. You've also got a full screen mode if you want to go here. If you do want to share with people, you can tell them that go to challenge with an o.com/gingermonkey18, and then they can follow the tournament right on their device. I'll also post that on the Facebook page during the before the event starts, so that people can go to my KB Cornhole page to access it. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully that helps.